This is what summer should be, starting off in May about 80 and peaking off in August about 98 degrees, but we have been nowhere near normal this year, and we're going to plot temperatures for 1980.
So, what is Læsø Ocean Race? Just a couple of boats going from Valsand and Læsø, going to an island between Sweden and Denmark, belonging to Denmark. We were planning to do this some weeks ago, but then the weather was really bad. Now it was amazing condition with wind from the south. At 10 o'clock we were out sailing on the ocean. Some minutes earlier, Lasse in his Dehler 38 Desire started to sail, and from Læsø the Dragonfly 28 performance with Martin Hansson started. We set our code 0 to try to catch up with the Dragonfly, but it took over an hour to catch up with them, even that they only used their jib.
We're doing great! This is pretty good. We're catching up with a Trimaran as well.
The sea was pretty choppy and wind maybe 15 knots right here, really good speed, and you can see the Dragonfly is jumping around as well. No, we don't have a toilet on board, either you have to wait or you have to go. The wind increased the closer we came to Læsø. It's about 30 nautical miles the distance to sail. Here we could hold steady 10 knots boat speed. It's a lot of cargo traffic, tankers passing in between, and we thought we could pass in front of this, but we couldn't. We had to go behind, and we came a little too close. The sea started to build up more and more, and we got really good waves to surf in. Some powerboats going the opposite direction looked very choppy. How to make a Danish guest flag in 3 minutes. Denmark. Here you go. Looks like a child did it. Perfect. The Dehler 38 we couldn't see any longer, and the Dragonfly got smaller and smaller in the horizon. When we came closer to Læsø and going around the last red buoy, the wind increased a lot. At the same time we had to go a bit higher, but it's always nice to see land again, especially Denmark. Here we were maxing out 16.0 knots. That was the top speed of the trip this time, and we started to plan furling in the code.
Vilken jävla ride! Hallå, vad är det?
We furled out the jeep. We had to go upwind for some minutes before the harbor took down the code. And here is really windy, and finally we took in the jib as well.
Den tillbaka natten. 3 hours to Læsø.
I have not been here since the 80s when I was a child, so I don't remember that much more than it was a beach, and it was nice weather at that time as well. We found a great spot to park, and we took it right away. Martin came just a few minutes later with his Dragonfly. Here is our Monohull competitor, Dehler 38, Lasse. We went directly to the restaurant in the harbor next to the beach for a beer after sailing. And also a burger after some hours. Henrik were looking for some amber stone on the beach with absolutely no luck. Very protected harbor, at least from the wind we had, and a nice beach just next to the marina. We had to fold in one hull to make it possible to pass easy into the rest of the harbor. Some people were out swimming and taking bath after the sail. We did not. It's still very cold, and spring has not been a warm spring at all here. You can see the Danish mainland in the horizon there from Læsø. You should also be able to spot the Karlatornet, the highest building in Sweden, from Læsø, but it was not clear enough, I think, today. The harbor was not full, not completely. You could squeeze in some more boat. It's also not high season yet, so I guess it will be more crowded in some weeks. Do you want to join next time? Do that. Just call me, send me a message or something. Thanks for watching.